Hey everybody, Rick here. Hey, as we wind down 2022 and we look back at the past 12 months, are we really satisfied with how we ended up? I know it was crazy busy for most of us, and it felt like it never slowed down, right? But did you actually accomplish the things you really wanted to? The things that made you a better person, a better leader, better manager, a better spouse, a better parent, even a better friend? Is our business, our health, our relationships, our financial, or even our mental well-being where it should be? Does it feel sometimes like this is just too overwhelming, try to get your arms around all these things by yourself? Well, if it does, you're right. It is difficult. It does feel impossible, but it's not impossible. Sometimes all we need is a little bit of help, a little bit of guidance, a little bit of coaching, someone that understands and knows how to help us move forward. Now, many of you may not know this, but along with hosting my own weekly podcast, I'm a personal development, mindset, and business and life coach, where I focus on helping people with self-development, improving their mindset, and helping them make positive changes in their lives. And trust me, with all the negativity and crap we put up with the past couple of years, we could all use a little bit of positivity and a little bit of a positive change and a fresh approach to their life and their business in 2023. Sometimes talking to the right person can make all the difference in the world. If you really want to start making some of those changes in your life, take action right now. Reach out, email, text, call, direct message me on social media, but do it as soon as possible. Do it right now. I'll set you up with a free 30-minute consultation call, pre-qualify you for the one-on-one or the business coaching that you really need to get your life or your business back on track. Appointments for January 2023 are available right now. Look, 2023 is not going to be any easier or any less challenging than 2022 or 21 or 20, right? So we need to get mentally prepared for that, need to get physically prepared for that, need to have the right mindset, the right people around us, a good coach, and just really put a plan together to go after what you want for the next year. It's just a simple 30-minute consultation call. There's no obligation, no high-pressure sales tactics. It's just me and you talking for 30 minutes. We're going to figure out where you're at, what you're looking to do, what your goals are, and if I can help you get there, I will, and we'll work out a plan. If I can't, that's okay. We'll say goodbye, and you will have had a free 30 minutes to at least get some things out and maybe get a little value out of it. So don't hesitate to call. Appointments are available right now.